part 1 of fixing the problems I have on my 3D printer. My main problem right now is bed adhesion, so to try and fix it, I leveled the bed because I noticed the printing head was way too high. With the technique of the sheet, I cycled through a few times and tested printing. But of course it failed because something went wrong and the nozzle was way too low and nearly scratched the bed. So I scraped it off and I retried leveling it a second time. And I also tried changing some settings, like the speed, I made it way slower, and the flow rate that I made a bit higher. And after all these changes, I retried, but it did fail another time. This time I really don't know why. For now the video is getting long, so follow to see part 2, where I hopefully solve the problem.